how to enable or disable dark theme in Google Docs. So if you want to enable or disable dark theme in your Google Docs, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your browser, go with the Google Apps, which is right here, and then search for Google Docs. And once you find your Google Docs, you need to just click on it. Once you're on your Google Docs, if you want to enable your dark mode or disable your dark mode, then let's see if it's possible or not. You can just simply go with the top left, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And then if you go with settings, then here you won't have an option to change any theme. But if you go with your profile, which is on top right, and here also you won't have an option to change the theme. Now, there's no way that you can change your theme in your Google Docs, but what you can do is just simply add an extension. So you need to search for Chrome Web Extension or Chrome Web Store. And once you click on it, here you need to search for dark theme. Once you find dark theme for Google Chrome, you need to just go with Add to Chrome, which will be on the right side. And once the extension has been added, you need to just go back to your Google Docs. And here you need to go with the extension and pin the extension. Once you find the extension, you need to go with Manage Extensions right here. Or you can also add any other extension. Now, once done, go with extensions right here and then just go and turn or pin the extension. Once you pin the extension, you need to go back to your Google Docs. Just go and refresh your page. Go with the extension, which is right here. And that's it. Once you toggle the switch on, you'll have light mode. And once you toggle the switch off, you'll have the dark mode. That's how you can enable or disable dark mode on your Google documents. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.